Best Longboard 2022. Hey guys, here I'm back with another interesting video both for kids and adults. In this video, I'm going to share a list of Best Longboard 2022. So without wasting any time, let's start with our list. And yes, if you like riding longboard or hoverboards, then do give us a thumbs up to this video. And also do share and comment on this video. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel for other exciting videos. Now, let's have a look at the first option. And let's see what we have at this top slot. Number 1. Longboards Drop Hammer. Here we have one of the best and exceptional longboards in 2022. Well, longboards are fun to ride. But while buying any kind of longboard, you should know about its available features. There are many outstanding functions that come well known at the Longboards Drop Hammer, making it one of the best preferences for the exceptional general hull longboard available. Longboards is referred to as a popular setter within the international of longboarding, thus it is considered one of the best overall longboards. They also are recognized for their efforts in sustainability. For each board they sell, Longboards oath to plant a tree. Isn't it just amazing? Well, I honestly like this effort. Beyond their ecological commitment, Longboards is likewise dedicated to generating extremely good longboards for riders of all ability levels. This specific board is brilliant for everyday use commuting in addition to downhill bombing and carving. The Longboards Drop Hammer is designed to move rapidly, even as it is nevertheless smooth to manage. The big and gentle wheels offer a cloud-like driving occurrence even as the top-rate vehicles permit for final management and stability. So, this is considered great for both kids up to 18 years old and other adults. So, you can also enjoy this option and can also consider other options as well. Number 2. Globe the All-Time. Here we have one of the best options that you can have in 2022. This one is considered best value longboards and can provide you great performance. Globe has been concerned in skateboarding for the reason that, making it one of the older and traditional products on today's list. And the All-Time from Globe has been provided with an exceptional choice award as it has a lower price than the alternative longboards available in the market, even as it is nonetheless being made from first-class parts. As far as longboards are concerned, this one is at the shorter aspect at 35, which is considered good for adults and teenagers. For reference, a conventional skateboard is typically around 32. Some users choose shorter forms, however longer forms commonly provide extra balance in terms of appearing hints or bombing hills. However, this board's trucks, wheels, and bearings make it fast, maneuverable, and responsive. Thus it is also used in professional athlete racing as well. The Globe the All-Time is consequently perfect for cruising and mastering hints because of its kicktail and shorter length. However, it isn't always designed for steep hills. So, if you like this one, then great as it provides very good price value. Now, let's have a look at the next option and let's see what we have at this next slot. Number 3. Sector 9 Monkey King Paradiso. Here we have another best longboard that you can have for downhill tracks. So if you are a traveler and want to explore your passion, then Ty can be your best buddy while on downhills. So, if you're searching out the remarkable thrill of bombing a big hill and laying down a few clean slides, then the Sector 9 Monkey King Paradiso is the board for you. Sector 9 is a few of the best and most famous longboard companies, and for appropriate reasons, thus considered one of the best longboards for downhills. They make many exclusive boards that specialize within the distinctive forms of longboarding. However, this one is absolutely best for downhill riding. With a strong 9-ply deck and drop via truck mounting, your core of gravity could be lowered. This makes it simpler to stay on top of things on the board as you attain excessive speeds. The opposite kingpin vehicles make for tight and effective turning. The huge and smooth wheels will grip the asphalt sufficient to live on top of things. However, nonetheless have sufficient provide to allow excessive speed sliding. So, if you want this longboard for one specific reason, which I shared, then this is the best choice. Other than Ty, you can consider any other options as well. Number 4. Longboards ATV Longboard. Here we have one of the best longboards that you can have for ultimate tricks, as it is considered the best option for tricks, especially when it involves appearing tricks on a longboard. In case you are innovative enough, the opportunities are endless. This is my preferred part of the game because of the liberty of expression which hints can provide you. That being said, it may be exceedingly irritating and unstable to feature on your bag of tricks. That is why it's essential to have the proper form of longboard for the job. Tricks are feasible on all longboards. However, they may be absolutely a great deal simpler on forums which have a kicktail. This permits the rider to carry out tricks that get airborne with tons of extra ease. And at 31 inches and with the kicktail, the Longboards ATV is truly designed with hints in mind. The Longboards ATV deck is shorter than another longboard in this listing and may technically be categorized as a cruiser. Nonetheless, it's nonetheless able to do many stuff that its longer opposite numbers are able to. The trucks and wheels in this board are larger than the ones on the one of conventional skateboards, however, are nonetheless considerably lighter than among the others on this list. So, if you are adventurous and want to explore tricks, then you can purchase this longboard. Now let's have a look at the last option, and let's see what we have at this last number. Number 5. Arbor Mission Photo 35. Here we have another option that is considered great for beginners who want to ride longboards. The deck functions as a medium-duration deck with a kicktail for mastering tricks, in addition to a highest ply crafted from long-lasting walnut. The sanded wheel wells make for tough turning without disturbing wheel bite. That is why your wheels are stopped through the deck of your board whilst turning. This board capability is gentle and smooth using wheels which might be big, however now no longer huge, in addition to trucks that aren't extraordinarily wide. The motive that I suggest this board for novices is that it is tight within the center of the road, no pun intended, of numerous categories. It is feasible to do hints on, experience downhills, and really cruise round cushy and stylishly. As you develop for your longboarding journey, you may probably discover that there are sure matters which you experience extra than others regarding the sport. For instance, possibly you like the joys of racing down hills more than acting hints. This longboard will provide you with an excellent board that could do it all. However, as you find out you're using mono, you may need to get a board this is extra particularly applicable to what you experience most. However, you can additionally discover which you experience performing some little bit of the entirety, and that is certainly a board in order to let you do simply that. So, this is all about the best longboard 2022. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Now I am going to wrap up this video. If you liked the video, then make sure to like, share, and comment on this video, and also do subscribe to the channel for further details. Furthermore, if you want to have other details about these shared options, then you can check the links given in the description box.